guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did my foundation, eyebrows, primed my lids. I did one eye off camera, and I also did my bronzer. Eyebrows, nothing has changed, everything is still the same. It's the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. To set my brows, it's the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. To prime my lids, the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. For primer, I used the No Pore from Touch and Soul. Foundation, I used the Juvia's Place I'm Magic foundation. I used it in the shade Ibiza and Casablanca. For bronzer, I used the Give Me Sun mineralized skin finish. And then to set my under eyes, I used the Pretty Vulgar Mad About It translucent powder. And now we're just gonna go ahead and jump on to the other eye. What I used, the palette that I used for today's look is the Morphe 35M Boss Mood. So I'm only going to use like 4 shades from this palette. I'm going to use these two for my transition shade. I'm going to use this for my crease and then this for my lid for where I cut it out. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to go in is with Peachy Keen and Play It Cool. And I'm also going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. First 2 shades I'll be mixing is these two. And I'm going to just add that to the crease. Next shade I'm gonna go in is with Green Envy. It's like a dark olive shade, and I'm gonna add that to the crease. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go back in with the 2 first brown shades I went in with, and then blend these 2 together. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. To cut it, like I said, I'm using the It Bye Bye Under Eye concealer. This is a really good concealer. So for this, I am gonna need a mirror, so I'm sorry if you guys can see it. And then I'm just gonna sweep whatever is left on the brush and bring it in and outward. Just trying to blend them together so we won't have like such a hard transition. So the next shade I'm gonna grab is Pop Star. It's this gold shade right here. And to grab this one, I'm gonna use a flat brush. And I'm also gonna spray some of the Evian's facial spray. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back in with that olive shade that I used in the crease and start patting it to blend it with the gold.
So
So now I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Essence Super Precise eyeliner in black, and I'm gonna be doing this off camera. Alright guys, so I already did my liner. I put on my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. So I'm just gonna grab that olive shade that I used and add that to the bottom lash line. Alright, so now I'm just gonna sweep off the bake. So now I'm gonna scoot you guys back a little. So for blush, I'm gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and I'm gonna take this shade. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Lancome Glow For It palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. I don't know if it has a... This one is in 02 Rose Twinkle. So for lips, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Cork Lip Liner. So I'm gonna use some of my main from the Dose of Color and Desi and Katie collection. Alright guys, so I did my lips already, and I also added some of the Rimmel Candle Eyes in Nude for the waterline. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!